we're going to be watching Bungo Stray Dogs Season 2, Episode 5. What's...
Falling flower petals are...
Oh god, it's him.
There is no need to
Who
let
are
blossoms
you?
fall before they bloom.
Sorry to keep you
Oh.
waiting. Made
Ooh,
rice today.
curry. That does look good.
Oh, I forgot to ask you. You did buy that German cake we saw yesterday at that place near the harbor, right?
Oh,
You forgot, didn't you?
did you mean this one?
Oh, you little rascal! You're gonna get it now!
Oh, hey, no, what? Oh, tickles. Oh.
I don't understand. I haven't seen these characters in what feels
For
like,
the wait.
you know,
Every
in
case
so
ready.
long.
I also got you this stun gun just in case.
Wow.
What's the job?
All you have to do is deliver this envelope of evidence to a judge in court. This is what he looks like.
Understood. I've memorized his face.
You're really into this.
Got it.
Is it 'cause it's your first job?
No. The first job I ever had was infiltrating a building and assassinating 2 people.
Lovely.
Demon Snow is the ability to kill. Only by upholding this responsibility does Kyoka have any purpose.
Purpose is whatever she wants her ability to be used for. That's what I think.
You need a permit.
But they're expecting me right now.
If you like, you can sign in on that form and wait until you're called.
But they're expecting me now.
I can't change the rules.
No luck. The judge isn't picking up. Guess there was some miscommunication. It looks like we'll have to do something about that guard.
Uh-oh. Do something.
Kill him?
No.
I'll use my charms to lure him
No!
to the area. And then,
Yeah, well, that's not exactly how we do things at the agency.
in that case, I only know of one other approach.
She has a lot to learn. We'll say that.
What happened?
Not bad. Oh!
You want to tell me what all this racket's about?
You just... That was the judge,
I
right?
have a delivery, sir.
Why? Why did you tase him?
The president settled everything. Apparently, he's friends with the judge.
Oh, okay. That's good.
It wasn't
Kyoka.
going well until that last part.
Really? Just the last part? If we knew more about your ability, how you could control Demon Snow without the voice from the phone, you could use it for the...
Oh,
agency
yeah, that's right. She
instead
can't
of-
control it.
I'm never using it again.
Oh. Better not be the Port Mafia.
Demon Snow.
Wait. She didn't answer.
Punish those who would dare teach Kyoka a world of lies.
What do you mean? She didn't even answer.
Even the blood of
Oh.
vermin is beautiful to
It's you.
the immense pain
She
of no
knows
innocent
Kyoka.
child was out there amongst animals like this.
Your sweet child.
She's not going back to the Port Mafia with you. She's decided that she wants to use her strengths to work with us at the agency.
I never should have waited for Ogai's permission. Why didn't I come and get you sooner? One day they will ask you to use Demon Snow. I think
You don't
it's
know
time
that.
we
Oh no, she's getting in her head.
Where are you
What is the
taking her?
relation between these two?
The place where she belongs is with us.
Oh!
Not fast enough.
A second demon.
She has the same ability? Jesus! Oh my god!
I doubt you'd wish to stay if he was no longer with the agency. Especially if the boy was killed because of you.
All right,
Oh my god.
I'll come back with you.
Oh my god.
Stop this.
Poor Kyoka. She just wants to be good. What just happened?
Well done, my dear. I never saw it coming for a moment.
Oh.
I've seen the world of light.
I would advise against using that. You know what will happen if you do.
Is she gonna call herself?
I ask that you defeat
Awesome.
My darling 𝓢𝓞𝓒𝓘𝓐.
What?
We'll just have to walk.
Who are these
Like to
two?
finish this job so we can go back. It's been 4 years since I've been outside.
4 years.
Finally, you reveal your true nature. You kill anyone who dares stand in your way, just like a demon.
Jesus.
You cannot change your true nature, and you will always
Oh
justify
my
killing
god.
when-
It's so interesting that they have like the same ability.
You have always made good use of your demon. You used it to kill your parents.
She killed both her parents? What?
Why, Kyoka?
It's not.
He will never understand. No one who lives in this world of light could.
Oh no. Don't lose hope. Oh, dang. You're kidding.
Watch your heads, please!
What the?
Man, it flew so far!
Are you okay? I made some adjustments to Kyoka's phone. It notifies me when someone tries to call it.
Oh.
Get up. You're a were-tiger. Grow some wereballs.
Agency.
What? Wearables?
It's great
What?
timing.
Who are
It's like the split
you?
second before a collision.
Oh, it's him.
Come a little bit
What
later,
is
we
what
would've
does he
had
want?
easy.
Guild
Guess I'll get
operative.
out there
Oh
and
my
earn
god.
my
I should have
money
guessed.
half of the
These
guild.
two are part of the guild.
Tired and really itchy.
Guild of Lovecraft.
Tired and itchy.
Ability, the great
Those
old
guys from
one.
the guild?
What? Like Lovecraftian mythology.
What's that?
What is going on? More guild members.
Lord in heaven,
We have a
have
priest.
mercy on the wicked.
Whoa. You're kidding. Oh no.
Where am I?
Why is he all tied up?
Well, well.
Oh
That's quite a
no.
fatal injury you've got there, 𝓢𝓞𝓒𝓘𝓐. Are you ready for your treatment?
I'll use this one today.
Now, my dear. You really shouldn't be eating all these sweets.
But why
Ooh.
not? Sweetness
That's my
is
heaven right there. If I could like survive off chocolate and like just anything sweet, I would.
The agency got to the scene ahead of us and took Koya with them. Now that one of our top 5 executives is a hostage, we
Top
have to be
5?
careful.
Hey, sister.
Why was she so afraid?
Is Kyoka safe?
She's missing.
Missing? Why?
What's so funny? I ask that you leave this matter to me.
Jesus. Yeah, don't let your emotions get riled up.
Sorry to get right to the point, but I'd like to know the Port Mafia's current strategy regarding this conflict.
Don't tell me you've forgotten our code, boy.
Boy.
Those with loose tongues are the first to die.
Can you recall a single instance where a hostage didn't talk after I asked the questions? I'm sorry to say, this won't be very pretty.
Oh my god.
All operatives are to leave the company offices and gather at the former facility. Hold on, I have visitors. Sir, what's going on?
Oh god.
Sir?
No way he's gonna be taken out by 4, like, lowlifes.
We should go and help them.
I'm sure he's fine. More importantly,
How can you be so confident like this?
go back to your master and tell him it was a nice try. And that he would be wise to target me and me alone.
I hear the agency has abandoned their headquarters and have hidden somewhere else.
Is that a yacht?
I worked for 2 years in order to afford a gun like this. When I couldn't, I killed 4 people.
Okay. Excuse me? Was that his ability?
Listen up.
Oh, they're all here.
The Court Mafia seeks to eradicate the agency. The Guild seeks to usurp the agency. We must do all we can to protect ourselves from both.
Everyone is fighting against the agency.
Please continue.
We'll split into defensive and offensive teams and engage them in guerrilla warfare.
Ooh, okay.
The primary goal for the defensive team is to make sure Dr. Yoshino is protected. As long as we don't die outright, her healing ability can cure our injuries.
Got it.
The offensive team will split into 2 sections and surprise the enemy using Junichiro's Mirage ability and my Nullification ability. If our enemies hit us here with everything they've got, our defenses will never hold.
The tracking solution? The one we put on the assassin's clothes?
Oh.
Signals coming through loud and clear.
Then I believe we'll find their hideout.
Our only option left is to fight.
Naturally, we'll be the only ones left standing.
Oh, God.
I look forward to seeing
Oh,
how this all
God.
turns out.
A 3-way war. A war of the gifted.
Awesome. I'm loving this so much, and we only just started getting back into our main storyline, and it's just so fun to see this, you know, the Port Mafia, the Guild versus the agency, because the Guild and the Port Mafia, while they're probably not friends, their main target is the agency. So I can't wait to, you know, see what the agency does to combat both parties. And Dazai, oh man, I'm so glad that we got backstory on him the first 4 episodes, because that scene of him mentioning how he was a torturer totally has a lot more weight to it than it would have if we didn't see the backstory. So I loved seeing that. And man, it sucks that Kyoka is missing. I'm guessing she ran away, and oh man, that sucks. I hate when people like get in other people's heads and like mess around with their goals and their desires, because Kyoka doesn't want to kill anybody anymore. And you know, I'm sure when she killed her parents, I'm sure there was like something else going on there, because I'm sure she didn't just like, all right, bye. You know. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please if you liked, please if dislike, and tell me what I can do better. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're notified every single time I make a video. And I wish each and every single one of you a wonderful day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever you prefer. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.